Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bolero jacket pattern. This is a beginner friendly shell stitch pattern and this jacket is made into contrasting color scheme for adult medium size. So for this project, I am using a 5mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply crystal yarn. I will make it in just one single color. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. I will show you on a smaller patch. So make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 4th chain from the hook and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the 2nd chain and then draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2, then through other 2. This is our double crochet stitch. Now go into the next chain and make a double crochet stitch into it. Then into the next chain make a double crochet. Then into the next chain make a double crochet. And in this way we would make double crochets in each of the next chains. So I have completed my double crochet stitches on this smaller patch. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 which will be counted as a double crochet in every row. Turn up the work now, wrap the yarn again, skip the very first double crochet stitch, then go into the second double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch like this. Now go into the third double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, then go into the 4th double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, then into the 5th one make a double crochet, and in this way we would make double crochets in each of the next double crochet stitches. So I have completed making double crochets in every double crochet stitch of previous round. Now in the last we have third turning chain. In this third turning chain make a double crochet, then make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work again, skip the first double crochet stitch, go into the next one and start making double crochet stitches from now on into each of them. So this is the pattern and we would follow this pattern to make a bigger size patch. For this patch I have made 47 base chains. You can change the number of base chains according to your size and pattern. For my patch, width is approximately 8.1 and length is also approximately 8.1 inches. Now from here we would start making armholes. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. In this way we would make total of 72 chains. So I have made 72 chains here. Now take the right side of chain upward. Make sure you don't have any twist in this chain. And after that, from the other side of page into the very first base chain, make a slip stitch. Now this is our first armhole. Make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same chain. Then go into the second base chain, make a single crochet in it. I am weaving the starting yarn tail inside these single crochet stitches, and we don't have to weave it separately. So make single crochets in this way in each of the double crochet stitches on the base chain till the end of this side. In the end, we would make a single crochet stitch into the third turning chain also. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, and in this way we would make total of 72 chains again for the other armhole. So I have made 72 chains and I have made a slip stitch into the third turning chain of next corner as well. Now make chain 1 and a single crochet into the same chain 3, then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and in this way we would make single crochet stitches in each of the double crochet stitch of this side till the end. So I have completed single crochet stitches here. Now into the first chain of armhole, make a slip stitch, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Go into the same chain, make a double crochet like this, make chain 1 and then chain 2, wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. This is called our shell stitch. Now skip 3 chains, go into the fourth chain, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, again double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, skip 1, 2 and then 3 chains, go into the fourth one and into the fourth chain make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2 and double crochet 1, double crochet 2 to make a shell stitch. So in this way skip 3 chains again, go into the fourth chain, make a shell stitch into it. For shell stitch make 2 double crochet stitches, then 2 chains and 2 double crochet stitches. So complete this process of making shell stitches on these 72 chains. So I have completed my shell stitches here. Now into the very first single crochet stitch of this side, make a shell stitch by making 2 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and 2 double crochet stitches. Now skip 1, 2 and 3 single crochet stitches. Into the fourth single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 to make a shell stitch. Again skip 3 single crochet stitches, go into the fourth one, make 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2 and then 2 double crochet stitches into it. So this is our pattern. Repeat this pattern on this side, then on the second armhole and then on this side, and complete making shell stitches. So now I have completed my shell stitches. In the end, make a slip stitch into the third chain of very first shell stitch. To start the next round, make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3. Then make a slip stitch into the chain 2 space of shell. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Go into the same chain 2 space of shells, make a double crochet, make 2 chains, make a double crochet again into this chain 2 space, then make another double crochet into this same chain 2 space. So this is our shell stitch. Now go into the next chain 2 space of shell, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, again double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Go into the next chain 2 space of shell, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So this is our process of making shell stitches into each of the shell stitch by making 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet, and we would repeat a few of the rounds with this same process without any increase. So with this shell stitch of 2 double crochet, 2 chains and then 2 double crochet, I have completed 4 rounds. Now make 3 chains for the 5th round, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 here into this chain 2 space. Now we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 2, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into this chain 2 space. Now go into the next chain 2 space of shell stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, make chain 1 and then chain 2, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Go into the next chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, chain 2, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same chain 2 space of shell stitch. So now we would make a shell stitch of 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet, and we would complete this round and a few more rounds with this pattern. So I have made 3 rounds of 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet stitches. Now we would make 4 double crochet stitches round, make 3 chains and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, including 3 chain we have 4 double crochet stitches. Now make 2 chains and then make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Last one is double crochet 4 into the same chain 2 space. Now go into the next chain 2 space of shell stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now increasing pattern is of 4 double crochet, 2 chain and 4 double crochet stitches. We would complete this round and a few more rounds with this pattern. I have made 4 rounds of 4 double crochet shell stitch here, and this next round is made with 5 double crochet stitches. I would make 2 rounds. This one is made, and I will show you how to crochet the next one with 5 double crochet stitches. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Now make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then last one is double crochet 4. Total of 5 double crochet stitches. Make chain 1 and then chain 2, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5 into this chain 2 space of shell. So this is our shell stitch of increasing round. Now into the next chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Make chain 1 and then chain 2. Into the same chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then last one is double crochet 5. So in this way we would make a shell stitch of 5 double crochet, 2 chain and 5 double crochet, and we would complete this round till the end. So I have made the final round of our bolero jacket, and I have woven the yarn end as well. Now the total length of our bolero jacket is approximately 19.5 inches, and this bolero jacket is for adult medium size. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Take care. Bye.